There have been recent allegations suggesting that Phar Kuol, South Sudan's Minister of Peacebuilding and a senior figure in the SPLMIO, has betrayed his chairman, Dr. Riek Machar. These claims have sparked significant controversy within the SPLMIO and among the broader South Sudanese public. Allegations and public reaction. Reports indicate that Phar Kuol was recently expelled from a Presbyterian church in Juba, with accusations that he had betrayed Dr. Riek Machar. Additionally, some online sources have labeled him a traitor, alleging that he and his associates have capitulated to governmental pressure. Phar Kuol's response. In response to these allegations, Phar Kuol has publicly denied any betrayal of Dr. Riek Machar. He has dismissed his suspension from the SPLMIO, asserting that it lacks legitimacy, and has accused Deputy Chairman Oyet Nathaniel of undermining the movement. Furthermore, he has emphasized his continued loyalty to Dr. Machar and the SPLMIO's objectives. Context and implications. These events occur amid ongoing tensions within the SPLMIO, as the party navigates internal divisions and external pressures. The situation highlights the challenges facing South Sudan's peace process and the fragile unity within opposition factions. Despite these controversies, Phar Kuol has maintained his loyalty to Machar and the SPLMIO's objectives. He has publicly denied any betrayal and has emphasized the importance of unity within the movement. However, the internal rifts within the SPLMIO, exacerbated by these events, pose challenges to the party's cohesion and its role in South Sudan's peace process. As the SPLMIO navigates these internal dynamics post-Machar's release, the future role of Phar Kuol within the party remains to be seen. His continued involvement will likely depend on ongoing reconciliation efforts and the broader political developments within South Sudan.